Hello everybody, it's been a little while. I have not been on YouTube for maybe like a month and a half, almost 2 months, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup look, and then at the end I'm going to insert some footage of some fun holiday things that I've been doing with my family, like cookie making, and we went to this like nativity scene that was like right around the corner from our house. We're not religious, but it was really cute for kids, so Felix really liked it. Yes, so keep watching, and I hope everyone has a very happy holiday season. Okay, hi guys. So I'm starting off with just a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Lately, I haven't been wearing foundation and primer. It just has felt too heavy on my face, so I'm just covering up my sleepless bags under my eyes and blending it in with a damp beauty blender. You can see Daniel in the background. He was having a meeting with his guy friends about this game called Warhammer. They're like entering in some tournament, but he was in the same room as me while I was doing this, so also, sorry it's been such a long time since I've made a video. My computer has been broken. It is incredibly slow, and so it takes forever to edit videos, so I've just kind of been not doing it, but I'm back. Okay, here I am just dusting over the concealer with a loose powder just to set it, and then I'm gonna go in and bronze my face a little bit, add blush, add a highlight, just to give my face some dimension, some color, without having that heaviness of foundation and stuff. I know people don't usually use like a lot of bronzer in the winter because it's more of a summery look, but I feel like it's the star in winter for me because otherwise I look dead. I have like no color on my face and I really need it. I feel like in the summer I like don't spend the time dealing with that. Okay, now I'm going in with a brow pencil and just defining my brows. I've also been trying for a more natural look this holiday season. So I've just been penciling them in instead of doing like a very harsh brow like I usually do. And I think this actually looks a little bit better on me than the really straight brows. Yeah, so just penciling this in. Okay, I'm going in and priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eden eyeshadow primer potion. I tried not priming my eyes the other day before doing eyeshadow, and it looked horrible, so I'm definitely not cutting this step out of any of my makeup routines anytime soon. Okay, so I've primed now, and I'm using this Fire palette, and I'm going to use just like the red color, because I think that's very holiday-y to have a red color. Also, this could be worn to any holiday party, but it's like festive, so I liked that it wasn't like green and red or whatever, so it's like red and gold. You could also wear this on New Year's if you wanted. This is also kind of my attempt at a half cut crease. So my eye shape is not ideal for a cut crease, but this is like the best I could do. So I'm just going to blend this one red color as much as possible. And I'm not worrying too much about the lower lid because I'm going to end up covering that up with the second color I'm going to use. So I don't know if this is going to show up when I upload this video, but the screen keeps on flashing green. It's very strange. So any second, I think my computer or camera is about to break. So let's just hope I can finish this video. And then, yeah, we'll see what I'm going to do about that next. This is a really long clip of me blending, but this is reality. Okay, now I'm going back in with my, actually I'm using primer, but you could use a concealer, but I'm using the Urban Decay Eden eyeshadow primer potion, and this is like really thick and matte, and it's almost like a concealer, so it works kind of the same, but I'm going in and filling in up into the crease of my eye, actually just a little bit higher, and then I'm going to go in and fill in that whole white space with my gold eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with that same red and just darkening up the outer corner of my eye, and I'm gonna pull the red and gold together to kind of blend them. So you'll see me kind of going back and forth with the gold brush and the red brush just to blend the two of them together for a smoother transition. Okay, now I'm adding my mascara and a fun, festive lipstick. I think holiday parties always need a bold lip. And I'm ready. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching if you want to see some holiday footage from my family.
Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said we don't need to play with them like as we see. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat.
How is it, Felix? Is it yummy?
Play with the lots of sweet. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.
Yeah, we cooked it. Is it good?
One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days.
Can you bring me a Christmas tree? A Christmas tree?
Yeah.
He's in sugar coma. Wow, good job!
Wow.
Good job!